Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shamir, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for joining me again today. So look at this. Can you guys believe it? It is already time to start thinking about what you're gonna do and how you're gonna decorate for Halloween. I know, yeah, it seems a little early, but apparently it's not, because the stores like HomeGoods have started putting out their Halloween decor, okay? And let me tell you, I am here for it, okay? Especially all of the little pink theme items that I kept seeing in store. I made a short on those as well, so make sure you check that out. But you guys, they have all the good things, okay? They have some of these tall skeletons, they have signs for your door, they have garland, all kinds of cute stuff in store right now. They even have some neon wall signs and stuff like that, which I think will be great in, like, you know, your garage if you want to like decorate inside of there for Halloween. So yeah, I'm going to let you guys sit back, vibe out, see what's in store, and I'll pop back in with you in just a few. And you know, when I see items like that, I'm like, you know what, you get it, Martha Stewart, okay? Because when I say Martha Stewart is a working woman out here, yes, she had her little moment, you know, where she went away, if you know what I mean, and she came back, but she's been doing the thing. And at her age, to be working and having product lines and all kinds of stuff like that, it is great to see. I also like the look of the skeletons that have like little bling accents to them, and like one of them had a crown on and stuff. So yeah, make sure you check those out too. And you guys, okay, coming up in a minute, you're gonna see it. I know I probably showed these last year because I definitely remember seeing them in HomeGoods last year. But what are you guys' thoughts on the pumpkins that have like the realistic face? I'm just like, I don't know. I mean, I know it's like Halloween, because like a part of me is like, it doesn't look scary, but then at the same time it just looks kind of weird. I don't know, I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you like the look of that? Do you think it's more of a like a friendlier looking spooky scary Halloween, like more for like young kids, or what? I don't know. But yeah, I really thought the Stitch stuff was cute. So all the little stuff with pumpkins and Stitch on it, yeah, I like those too. I'm really laughing at myself right now because I'm like, we're vibing out, but it's given we're going on an island. We're at the resort for a tropical vacation, okay? That's really the vibe. And I wanted to tell you guys, I like that sign, okay? Which way to the wine? I think I also like this song too because I hear hints of the flute in there. And fun fact, if you just want to know something random about me, played the flute in the band. So yeah, what I really want to know is, have you guys already started shopping for your Halloween decorations? Like, are you just browsing? Are you doing stuff like watching these type of videos just to get an idea of what you want? Or have you actually been in the store picking up these items and bringing them to the checkout? Because some of this stuff is real cute and I don't know how long it's going to last in the store either, you know? Like some of the pieces that look like newer that I don't think I saw last year. Because I'm trying to think, I don't remember. I have to go back and watch some of my old videos, but I don't remember if I saw like the little skeleton in the donut that was like at the beginning of the video. So I feel like some of these things are like new little pieces, but yeah, I don't know if those type of items are going to last that long. So let me know in the comments below if you guys are already shopping or if you're just starting to look. Like, is it given it's way too early for you right now? Okay, these are the faces that I was talking about too. What do you guys think of them? Alright, you guys, we've reached the end of today's video. I hope you guys had fun vibing out, jamming with me, and seeing some Halloween decorations, okay? And if you did, don't worry, there's more on the channel, okay? So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and if you have time, check out some of my other shopping videos because, you know, all these things are coming up. Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas before you know it, and I have videos for all of those. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.